In this video, you will learn how to add a new admin for your lock. First, open the U-tec app. Tap the user logo of the lock you will add the new user. Tap the plus sign. Tap User Type. In User Type, select Admin. Type the name of the new user. Tap Next. In this step, you will add the user's fingerprint. Tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 blue circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. You also have the option to add a code the user will use to open the lock. Add it and tap Add Code. For app access, you will allow the user to unlock via smartphone. Tap Next. Add the email to send the invitation. Tap Next. Tap Done. You will see the new admin on the users list.